You can be anything you wanna be.
Plumbers install and repair water supply lines, waste disposal systems, and related appliances and fixtures to keep homes and businesses flowing smoothly. Plumbing is a challenging but rewarding career, best suited to people who are motivated, hardworking, and patient. Meet 42-year-old Tangeni Ingiwewelekwa, a qualified plumber and owner of the thriving Ongwediva-based company Water Engineering Africa.
We always need water. That's why we say water is life. And water is being transported through the pipes. And the pipes are being put together by a plumber.
You can be anything you wanna be. You can achieve it if you just believe. Take you to a place you can be your true self. You can live your passion, live your passion.